All right, so the flooring system that we use, Citadel flooring system. First thing, we prime the floor with EP55, which is the primer coating that we put down first. Then we threw our first flake coat and we used the PLE-100 FC. It's a fast cure epoxy that we threw our first flake coat on. Then we came back, top coated that with UL80 Polyaspartic, threw our next flake coat on top of that. And then we're gonna be going over the top of that with our final finish coat, Poly-1 HD UDP, which is a performance top coat that resists hot tire pickup and scratching. All right, so I'm going to talk about a little bit about the system that we're using. So we're using Citadel's flooring system, and I'll talk about the products that we've applied, and we're not 100% done, but I'm going to talk a little bit about, those products. So the first product we applied was a primer. So we came in, pressure wash, cleaned the floor. We primed it with EP55. So that's a primer, kind of a system you can use, instead of acid etching, grinding and stuff. So it works extremely well. Then we waited a day, came back, and then we did our first flake coat, which we use PLE-100 FC, which is a performance leveling epoxy. So that's in with the FC as a fast cure. So we wanted it to dry fast because we're doing multiple coats, in a day. So if you don't have a lot of experience with, products that dry, fast cure products, it's 15-minute cure time. So pot life is extremely fast. That stuff where you're working, doing your cut-ins, starts to go off in 15 minutes and harden. So if you don't have a lot of experience, something you might not want to use, probably want to use something with a longer cure time. We did our first coat of PLE-100, threw down our flakes. We took about, I think it was 3 hours, 15 minutes, took a break, waited for that to cure. We came back and then we scraped those, and this was a system. We don't want to drag this out, quite a few days. We're trying to get this done, in 2 days. So we did the scraping, then we came back and did a coat of Polyaspartic on top of that, which is a longer cure time, 35-minute cure time, gives you more working time. So we threw down that first clear coat of UL80 from Citadel, threw down another flake coat on top of that. That was later in the evening when we got that done. Then we shut the garage doors, left them open a little bit so things can ventilate. Got here early in the morning, raised the garage doors, tested it to make sure that it was dry enough, cured enough that we can get on and walk on it again. It was completely cured, dried. We did our scraping once again, scraping 3 different directions. Our final top coat is Poly-1 HD UDP, and that is a performance top coat, a polyurea top coat that is going to be more resistant to hot tire pickup and more resistant to scratching, because we do have a really dark floor. We got a black floor with Tide Pool flakes on it. So lighter floors don't show scratches as much. So we're not so concerned about that with lighter floors. With a darker floor, the top coat is going to be a better performance top coat in this situation. So that's kind of like what this whole system that we got going on here, a multi-day system. It's not a one-day floor, it's a multi-day floor, and it's going to look absolutely amazing.